Hey guys, so don't mind the storm. I'm at my mom's. So my mom got me these new Takis. She got me Takis, but not any kind of Takis. She got me waves. Takis came out with Taki waves. They're new. See, it says new. But yeah. So I'm gonna try them before I go back to my house to do them. So cool. It smells good. I'm gonna take a small one because I don't too much. There's not as much powder as them as the sticks, but give me a minute. So good. Love. Bye guys.